What if I told you a teenager with a laptop can now build an online business faster than entire companies could just a few years ago? Right now, people are using AI tools to create videos, design products, automate businesses, and make money online while they sleep. And in this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI tools that are helping creators and entrepreneurs win in 2026. Let's start with the most powerful one. 1. ChatGPT. The first tool is ChatGPT. OpenAI created one of the most powerful AI tools ever. People use ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts, create business ideas, make marketing content, and even build digital products. Some creators are running entire faceless YouTube channels using AI-generated scripts. The biggest advantage? Speed. AI allows one person to produce the work of an entire team. 2. Canva AI. The second tool is Canva AI. Canva AI helps beginners create professional designs in minutes. You can make thumbnails, logos, Instagram posts, and ebooks. And here's why this matters. On social media, attention is money. A great thumbnail can turn a normal video into a viral video. That's why businesses and creators pay good money for strong designs. 3. InVideo AI. The third tool is InVideo AI. InVideo AI can turn a simple text prompt into a complete video. It automatically adds visuals, subtitles, music, and editing. This is one of the biggest reasons faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. People are uploading motivation videos, finance content, AI tutorials, and shorts every single day. Consistency becomes much easier with AI. 4. Midjourney. The fourth tool is Midjourney. Midjourney creates incredible AI-generated images. People use it to create digital art, posters, social media graphics, and print-on-demand products. In 2026, visuals are more important than ever because attention is the most valuable currency online. 5. Eleven Labs. The fifth tool is Eleven Labs. Eleven Labs creates realistic AI voiceovers. Creators use it for YouTube narration, podcasts, audiobooks, and faceless content. You no longer need expensive microphones or recording studios. Now AI can generate professional voices in minutes. The truth is, AI is creating a new generation of creators and entrepreneurs. The people who learn these tools early will have a huge advantage in the future. You don't need to start perfectly. You just need to start now. So which AI tool would you use first? Comment below and subscribe for more videos about AI, money, and future success.
Thank you for watching.